Hey guys, I just bought a new guitar, and that's what this video is about. I'm gonna teach you how to make an extremely easy metal riff. Even if you can't play guitar properly, you can still play this. So as you can see, this is a 7-string guitar. The lowest note is G sharp. We need to drop it down to G sharp. You can see my amp here. Yeah, my amp's right here. And let me show you how I figure this out. The other 6 strings, they are not necessary. So this is our direct recording, so it's not edited at all. Yeah, I love my new guitar. We are gonna make a metal riff, right? So we need distortion. And here's with distortion. We got a metal tone, right? Then we need a simple scale. I wrote out the tabs, so you can see the tabs on screen. Let's try it. Even if you can't play guitar properly, you can still play this. It's easy. These are 2, 3, 5, 7, then 5, 2, 3, 2. Yeah, it's that easy. You just go up and go down, up and down. Then we add a little rhythm, just like this. So let me show you how I put this together. And let's listen to the original recording. Then this is rendered one. Then we made a bass track with the bass following guitar. Here you can see our bass track on the screen. The bass plays the same notes. The final step, let's add the drums. Okay, so you just saw the demo, and you can see this is my new guitar. I know I've already said it twice, but I still gotta tell you this is my new guitar. And you might be wondering how I chose these notes. Why these 5 notes? Well, that's music theory. In the beginning, I actually wanted to make a full series teaching you how to understand music theory, but yeah, I'm too lazy. Yeah, I'm just too lazy. I don't have any other excuse. If you follow my steps, you can make your own metal riff too. Yeah, that's all. See you next time. Bye.